Ang maganda lang kasi with Azure North Dancer, parang siya rin kasi yung first na, kumbaga, may ganitong concept.
Yes.
In the North, actually, not just in Pampanga.
And I believe, Ma'am Kat, si Paris Hilton pa yung nag-endorse before.
Oo, kasi si Paris Hilton, dun sa unang Azure, siya yung naging designer din kasi nung Clubhouse doon. So here, hindi naman na siya actually, but for a time, in-endorse niya rin naman itong Azure North. So dito, iba lang yung charm dito sa Azure North kasi, kumbaga, like for example, market for staycation, some people, aside from, actually, nabanggit ko nga din kay Sir, even before nung na-turn over yung Monaco and Bali, that time na wala pang, hindi pa operational yung pool. Meron na din talagang market for rental. Kasi at San Fernando itself, may demand talaga siya for accommodation.
Yes.
So even if, kumbaga, a place lang na kailangan tulugan, place to stay, ganyan, parang meron na. What more pa na meron pang ganitong amenities na may enjoy. Kasi kung magbe-beach ka, ang pinakamalapit mo na beach, probably dito is what? Subic?
Kasi dito sa Pampanga, wala tayong beach.
Wala tayong beach.
So, this is the first ever man-made beach dito sa Pampanga.
La Union. Which will take you how many hours? Like 2 hours?
2 hours, ganun.
So parang, kumbaga minsan, kung kailangan mo lang naman ng change of environment, that's why maraming nagsistaycation. Kasi for a studio, roughly mga 3,000 per night, di ba?